breaking news. Supreme Court Justice Stephen Breyer has officially announced his retirement at age 83, and that is giving Joe Biden a chance to nominate a new Supreme Court Justice to replace his retirement, to replace Stephen Breyer's spot. So with this happening, not really much is changing in the Supreme Court. It's still going to be a 6-3 conservative majority. I mean, he's just getting replaced. I mean, they're not losing anyone, they're not gaining anyone, so it's not like they're going to have a 6-4 conservative majority. No, it's still a 6-3 conservative majority. He's just getting replaced. So not a big impact here. Republicans still have a 6-3 conservative majority in the Supreme Court. So now we have heard, and it's most likely going to happen, that Biden is expected to nominate a black woman to the Supreme Court. And if he does, he's going to make history, because I believe there has never been a black woman in the Supreme Court. I mean, I may be wrong, but I heard that there has never been a black woman, so I think I'm right. There has never been a black woman, and whoever he nominates might be the first one. There has been a black man. I mean, he's still in the Supreme Court right now. There is a black man currently, but there never has been a black woman. So the most likeliest pick Joe Biden is probably going to pick, most likely, is going to be Ketanji Brown Jackson. Now, if it doesn't end up being her, the next person up in line is going to be Leandra R. Kruger. But other than that, Ketanji Brown Jackson is most likely going to get picked. But if it does not end up being her, the second person in line is going to be... So Ketanji Brown Jackson is 51 years old, so she's going to serve for a long time if she does end up getting picked. By the way, she is the likeliest person to get picked. And Leandra R. Kruger is, I believe, 49. So they're really young. They're going to serve, I believe, about a few decades. Well, one of them will. It depends who gets picked. So those are Joe Biden's top two choices. And there has also been speculations and rumors that we can now possibly see a Justice Kamala Harris. I mean, imagine a Justice Kamala Harris. That's like almost impossible, right? It's possible, obviously, but it's highly unlikely. And one reason why it's highly unlikely is, obviously, Joe Biden's administration has stated that Kamala Harris will obviously not be one of the justices going to remain as Joe Biden's vice president. And I just wanted to clear this up. I know this is highly unlikely, but I just wanted to clear this up that you're not going to see a Justice Kamala Harris. I mean, it's coming from the Biden administration that she won't be a justice. There won't be a Justice Kamala Harris. I'm sorry. Don't get your hopes high. But yeah, I seen these rumors, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna cover it. And yeah, but it's highly unlikely. I just think this is ridiculous. There's not going to be a Justice Kamala Harris, and even if there was, she would be a horrible justice, and I don't see it happening. Even Joe Biden doesn't see it happening. His administration has recently stated that she's going to remain as vice president. I mean, that's just hilarious. So, just to clear this rumor up that it is false, this rumor is false. Justice Kamala Harris will not be happening. So, I enjoyed the video, and let me know your opinions down in the comment section below. Do you know who you think will be his replacement? Obviously, it's probably going to be one of the two women I just put up earlier. It's most likely going to be her, but if it's not her, then it's most likely going to be her. Stephen Breyer, I know he announced his retirement, but he's not leaving just yet. He's going to leave at June, I believe. They did confirm that he's going to leave at June, so he's still serving for a few more months, but he's leaving in June. So, he's not leaving right now, but he is leaving in June, a few months from now, and Joe Biden will pick soon when Stephen Breyer does leave. But he's going to serve for about 4 months more before he does leave. So yeah, he's not leaving just yet, but he has announced he's going to leave, I believe at the end of June. So yeah, he will be stepping out at the end of June. It has been confirmed. Even though he retired right now, he's still not going to leave right now. He's going to leave at the end of June just to get it clear. So he's still serving for a few months. So he will be leaving at the end of June. So yeah, the new Supreme Court justice will be coming in at the end of June when Stephen Breyer leaves, because he is leaving at the end of June. So his replacement will be coming in at the end of June. So yeah, we're not going to see the new replacement, whoever Joe Biden picks, coming in right now, because Stephen Breyer is not going to leave until June.